Hello students, I am Arun Chaudhary and you are watching AC Study Points. So today we are going to discuss the NCERT class 8 math chapter 2 exercise 2.2, and in previous classes we have already discussed some numbers of exercise 2.2 and today we will discuss number 9 onwards. Okay, so let us start the number. So first question here, see number 9 question of exercise 2.2. The age of Rahul and Haruns are in the ratio of 5:7. 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. So what are their present ages? Okay, so very simple. It is see here number 9, that is answer. Okay, solution you can say. Achha, the age of Rahul and Haruns are in the ratio of 5:7. So one thing student, you see here the age of Rahul and Harun. Here Rahul is first, Harun is in the second. That means Rahul and Harun, Rahul's age will be 5 and Harun's age will be 7. Okay, so the consider the ages of Rahul and Harun's. First Rahul's age will be 5x and Harun's age will be 7x because we don't know the ages. So here let Rahul's present age is equal to 5x because Rahul age, here Rahul is in the first, so age of in ratio, first one is for the Rahul and second one is for the Haruns. Okay, so let present age of Rahul's present age is 5x. In the same way, present age of that is Harun's present age is equal to 7x, is equal to 7x. Okay, we have considered this one. So this is the present age. Next 4 years later the sum of their ages is 56 years. After 4 years their age will be 56 years. So consider this is the present age. After 4 years what will be their ages? First we have to calculate the, so 4 years later, 4 years later, okay, 4 years later Rahul's age will be what? If the present age is 5x, then 4 years later Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4. If the present age is now 10, 4 years later the age will be 10 plus 4 means 14 years. So if it is 5x, then 4 years later the age will be 5x plus 4. Is that clear? Then Harun's age. Harun's age, 4 years later Harun's age will be, Harun's present age is how much it is? 7x. So 4 years later Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. Is that clear? Present age of Rahul is 5x. So after 4 years Rahul's age will be 5x plus 4. Present age of Harun's is 7x. So after 4 years Harun's age will be 7x plus 4. It is clear up to this? Now come to again question. 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56 years. Means after 4 years sum of these their ages will be 56 years. That means according to question, this 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56 years. That means this is your linear equation. This equation you need here. Okay, that means present age is 5x. After 4 years their age will be 5x plus 4. Present age of Harun's is 7x. After 4 years his age will be 7x plus 4. And after 4 years the sum of their ages is 56 years. It is given in the question, student. So we have to make this equation. Okay, now you solve. This is the linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is the chapter. Okay, in this chapter we are solving the linear equation of one variable. Here one variable is there, x only. So you solve it. 5x plus 7x, it is 9x. Okay, 4 plus 4, it is 8. sorry 5x plus 7x, it is 12x. 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. Now you shift this quantity, okay, to the right hand side. So it is 12x is equal to 56 minus 8. 56 minus 8, it is how much? Your 48. Right here 48. Okay, so now it is 48. So now here solve it. Okay, 12x is equal to 48. 12x is equal to 48. So here 12 into x. 12x means 12 into x. You need the value of x. So you must need to transfer this 12 to the right hand side. So it is x is equal to 48. Here it is multiplied. 12 is multiplied. If you will shift to the right hand side, it will be divide. So it is how much? 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, means it is 12. X is equal to 12. We need the value here. X is equal to, sorry, here it is slightly mistaken. It is 48. 48 divided by 12. This 12 we have to shift. Okay, so it is 12 1 ja, 12 4 ja. That means x is equal to 4. We get the value of x is equal to 4. Now come to again question. What are their present ages? What are their present ages? So present age of, first one is present age. Here we have taken already present age of Rahul. Present age of Rahul is equal to how much? We have considered here 5x, which is nothing but 5 into x value is 4. So you write here 4, that is nothing but 20 years. Okay, so present age of Rahul is 20 years. Then present age of, here asked what are the present ages? So present age of Harun is 7x. So present age of Harun's that is equal to 7x. So you write here 7x, which is equal to 7 to x value is 4. So 7 into 4, that is 28 years. Is that clear? So here we got the answer. That means what are their present ages? Present age of Rahul is 20 years. Present age of Harun is 28 years. It is 28. Is that clear? So in this way we have solved the number 9. Next, so we will solve the number 10. So you write it quickly. So now come to number 10. Come to number 10. Try to understand number 10. The number of boys and girls in the class are in the ratio of 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total strength? So it is again very simple question. So first we have to consider the number of boys and number of girls in the form of x. Okay. So here the number of boys, for boys it is what? 7, and for girls it is 5. So first, that means first things first, we have to consider, let the number of boys, is equal to, that is 7x, and girls is equal to 5x. Is that clear? It is given in the question. So the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. That means according to question, this number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. Means if the number of girls is 5x, then it is 8 more. The boys are 8 more than the girls. Okay. Now this implies that 7x, if you will shift to this 5x left hand side, it will be minus 5x equal to 8. Again, this is 7x minus 5x, it is 2x. 2x is equal to 8. This implies that x is equal to 8 by 2, that is 4. X is equal to 4, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So that means x value you got here 4. Now question come to here. We have got the value of variable here. Okay. So now question is, what is the total class strength? What is the total class strength? So total class strength total class strength equal to what is the number of boys? Number of boys is 7x plus what is the number of girls? 5x. That means total class strength means number of boys and number of girls. So number of boys is 5x and number of girls is 7x. This is the total strength. That means it is 7 plus 5, that is 12x. Okay, so we got the value of x is how much? That is 4. So 12 into 4, that is 48. That means total class strength is 7x plus 5 because number of boys is 7x, number of girls is 5x, total 12x. Okay, here we will put the value of x and we will get the total strength of the class. So this is your answer. Okay, so in this way we have solved the number 10 also. So again, next number we will see, you write it down, then we will solve the next number. So here number 11, we have already completed number 9 and 10. Number 11 question we will solve here. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of their ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So the question looks big, but it is not so difficult if we will do it. Okay, so see here, student, try to understand. Here Baichung's father is 26 years older than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. That means here three persons are there: Baichung, Baichung's father and Baichung's grandfather. So it will be better to take the age of Baichung first. Okay, the younger one. So let the Baichung's age is equal to x years. Okay, we will take here Baichung's age is x year. Acha, next question. Baichung's Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. That means Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. That means here Baichung's father age will be what? X plus Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. If Baichung is x year, then Baichung's father will be x plus 29. X plus 29 years. Is that clear? Next, Baichung's grandfather. Baichung's grandfather will be what? Here Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. That means Baichung's grandfather means what? Baichung's father. Okay, that means Baichung's grandfather is how much age? Baichung's grandfather means 26 years more than Baichung's father. Baichung's grandfather will be 26 years more than Baichung's father. It is given in the question. If the Baichung's father age is x plus 29, okay, Baichung's father age is x plus 29, then Baichung's grandfather's age will be 26 years more than Baichung's father. So here add is 26 years. Okay, that means here x plus this one 9 plus 6, 15. Here 15. Okay, 5. Then 2 plus 2, 4 and 1, 5. X plus 55 years. Is that clear? That means let the Baichung's age is x year. Then Baichung's father age will be 29 years more than Baichung. So here we have added 29. Okay, x plus 29. Again, Baichung's grandfather is 26 years more than Baichung's father. So we have added here. Then according to question here, the sum of the ages of all the three is 135. That means you age, Baichung's age is x, Baichung's father's age is x plus 29, Baichung's grandfather is x plus 55. This add up to give how much? 135 years according to question. 135 years. Is that very clear? This implies that you add this one, x plus x plus x, that is 3x. Okay, here it is 29 plus 55, 9 and 5, it is 14, 5 plus 2, that is 7, 7 or 1, 8, it is 84, equal to 135 years. Is that clear? Here, this is the Baichung's age, this is Baichung's father age, this is Baichung's grandfather age. So here, three variables are there, three x are there, unknown quantities, x plus x plus x, that is 3x. This one 55 plus 29, 9 plus 5, 14. Then here 5 plus 2, that is 7, 1, 8, 84. Now you shift this 84 to right side to get the value. Here this implies that 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. 135 minus 84, which is equal to 5 minus 4, it is 1. Okay, that is 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. It is 51. This implies that x is equal to 51. You shift this 3 to right side. So it is 3. So 3 1 ja 3 here. 3 1 ja 3. 4 5. 2 left 21. 3 7 ja 21. That means x is equal to 17. X is equal to 17 means x value. X is whose age? Baichung's age. Here the question is what is the age of each one of them? Means you have to find out the ages of everyone. So here, okay, so x value is this, means age of Baichung. Here age of Baichung, I am writing it is short. Age of Baichung is how much? Age of Baichung is x. So it is x, which is equal to x equal to how much? That is 17. That is 17 years. Age of Baichung is 17 years. Then age of Baichung's father. Age of Baichung's father is x plus 29. So age of Baichung's father is x plus 29. X plus 29. That means 17 plus 29. The value of x is 17. Okay. So here 9 plus 7, it is 16. Okay. 2 plus 1, 1, 3, 36 years. Sorry, that is 46 years. Okay. 9 plus 7, it is 6. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 and 1, 4, it is 46 years. Is that clear? So it is the age of Baichung's father. Now again the age of Baichung's grandfather. Age of Baichung's grandfather. Age of grandfather is how much? X plus 55 years, student. X plus 55. X plus 55 years. That means x value is 17. You write here 17 plus 55 is equal to 7 plus 5, 12. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 or plus 1, 7. 72 years. This is the answer. That means here the question was asked what is the age of each one of them. So now age of Baichung is 17 years. Age of Baichung's father is 46 years. And age of Baichung's grandfather is 72 years. Is that clear? So in this way we have completed number 11. You write it down, then we will do the next number. Okay. Okay. So now come to question number 12. Question number 12. See the question. 15 years from now, Rabi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Rabi's present age? It is very simple question, students. See here. Number 12. Number 12. It is solution. 15 years from now means first we have to take the present age. Let the present age of Rabi equal to x years. Present age of Rabi is x years. So after 15 years, after 15 years, age will be, after 15 years age will be, means Rabi's age will be, if it is x year, then after 15 years it will be x plus 15. X plus 15. If it is now 10 year, after 15 year, 10 plus 15 means 25 year. If the Rabi's present age is x year, then after 15 years his age will be x plus 15. Now come to question. According to question, what is question? What is Rabi's present age? So here question, 15 years from now, Rabi's age will be 4 times his present age. 15 years, after 15 years, Rabi's age is now how much? x plus 15. After 15 year, the Rabi's age will be x plus 15. It will be, that means 4 times the present age. Present age is how much? X. So it will be become 4 times of present age. So it is 4x. Okay, after 15 years, the age is x plus 15. After 15 years, his age will be 4 times of present age. So present age is x. So 4 times means 4 into x. Okay, so now come to here. It is 4x. We can write 4x here. Suppose it is 15 is equal to 4x. This plus 5 plus x. This side it will take, it is minus x. This implies that 15 is equal to 4x minus x. It is 3x. This implies that 15 here it is 3 has been multiplied. If you will take here this side, it will divide. That means it is x. So 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. That means x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. We get the value of x is equal to 5. So question is, what is the Rabi's present age? So it is Rabi's present age is what? How much? It is 5 years. Is that clear? So here Rabi's present age, Rabi's present age is equal to x years. That means it is 5 years. It is 5 years. Okay. Once again, student, here 15 years from now, Rabi's age will be 4 times his present age. So what you have to take? Present age of Rabi is x year. After 15 year, his age will be x plus 15. X plus 15. According to question, the after 15 years Rabi's age, that will be 4 times of present age. So 4 times of present age means 4x. Okay, so here 15 is equal to, if you will shift this one, then 4x minus x, it is 3x. If you will find the value, x is equal to 5 years. So here Rabi's present age is 5 years. Is that clear? So you write it, then next we will do the other number.